What's good, everyone? It's your boy Terry. That was quick. You guys got back to me about the roll cage. And the consensus? Put a roll cage in the car. And that's what we're going to do. So I was thinking about it, and I was saying to myself, how can I have the safety of a roll cage without the inconvenience of a roll cage? We're going to have the classic hoop. Down bars are going to go about 7 inches out and then start to go down. That way, we won't have to mess up the interior. I can still have my back seat. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a removable bar from the hoop. We're gonna have a 6-point because we're gonna do the same thing with the door. So that way you have a roll cage in your car, making the car rigid, but you also have the convenience of being able to take those bars out. So the plan is to have this car ready for Mo Party, run up on Jared Pink, and drag him down that quarter mile. So that's why I want to put a roll cage in there. Now let's suppose I take the family out for a picnic. We can conveniently remove the bars and we can all be comfortable in the car. But let's suppose Jared Pink shows up at that picnic and he wants some revenge. All I gotta do is go in the back, put those bars in, and it's on. I'm gonna take him out once again. Jared, I'm looking for you. So we're gonna get all our roll bar pieces from Summit Racing, and we're gonna get Tyler Long from Long Shot Performance to help fab it on up. It was his idea. Because if we're gonna do it, now's the time to do it. Get with the pertinence because we're gonna be moving on this thing, and you don't wanna miss it. And as always, be easy.